Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching for a while, you know that I am a camp chair enthusiast, and I think I'm getting a little closer to finding the perfect chair. TCEK sent me one of their camping chairs about 6 months ago to test out, and then they've got a new and improved one that they want me to take a look at. So stick around and check out this new chair from TCEK. At the top of our property, we have a nice lookout at the mountains across the valley, and so what better place to test out this chair while having a great view. This chair is super quick to set up. Only took me a few seconds, no different from previous chairs I've dealt with TCEK. Just a really user-friendly, easy chair to set up. So we are testing out the TCEK SwivelCore Portable Chair. It does offer 180 degrees of rotation. I did get the green one. I've had other chairs from them in black. This one comes in red, black, blue, gray, and then this green. The last chair was a 360 degree rotating chair. This is only 180 degrees, but it does have something called a swivel core that allows the chair to spring back to where it was when you first sat down. There's some things I really like about this swivel core low back chair. One is the bag. You might be able to see, like, I've dropped this in some frost and there's water on it, and it's not really making this bag wet. It's actually sitting on top of it, which is really nice. They didn't say anything about it being waterproof, but I can just see that it's obviously resistant. Also, the material of this bag is quite thick and sturdy. Other bag chairs I've seen are kind of easy to rip and almost made of this like hammock material up top here, but here they just use it because it's a little scrunchy. Down here it's nice and thick. Something I sent them feedback on that I'm glad they fixed is the strap. On older models chairs, it was just a non-adjustable single strap here. This, you can tell they've used some heavy-duty fasteners, not really carabiners, but just some clips to make this to where I can undo this if needed. But when I do need it, I can slip it right on, and adjustable, so I can throw it over my back. I can maybe tie this around a piece of luggage or just some other equipment that I'm taking out camping. So, good bag. Something else that I like that the last chair I had from TCEK did not have was a cup holder. And so this is a pretty nice cup holder. I mean, this is a tall kind of coffee thermos, and it sits in there really nice and doesn't tip over. And it's out of the way, but then also right there if you need it. I am noticing the swivel action on this is not the same as the 360 degree chair. Here we only can go 180 degrees, so it stops about right here and locks, and then also this way goes halfway and then locks. So like the description says, it is 180. So something I've noticed is that when I'm swiveling this around, it is in fact a swivel back, so I can feel some tension on this as I spin it around, and then when I let it go, it snaps back. Now notice something there with the cup holder, it kind of flung up, and so that would be something I'd be worried about if I'm camping. If I have like an open container in here and I spin around and I see something I need to grab and I've got an open container and this spins around, that could be bad. Fortunately, there's a lid on this, and so it doesn't spill, but if you had an open container, it would not be great. And so that would just be something I would worry about, but just something to think about as you're camping in this chair. I do just want to set this up next to a 360-degree chair just so you can see the size difference. Okay, as you can see, there's not much of a difference in size. I would say the newer one, the 180 SwivelCore, is a little taller, a little bigger. Just some things I noticed too is the metal pieces seem a little thicker on the feet on this. These do have nice metal legs. This just seems a little bit more thick. Now, this is looks like a hollow tube, and this is actually open. And I think that's so that when it is folded up, it maybe sits in here nicely, so it is more compact while it's folded up. Something else about this chair that is different is on the bottom, there's a knob to where you can just slightly adjust the leg stands. And so as I spin this, it's hard to tell, but the legs are getting wider apart. So this would raise and lower the height of your chair. So I've got this on the highest setting with the least amount of distance between the legs. If I spin this out, now there's more distance between the legs, but it will be closer to the ground. So I'm gonna leave it like that just so you can see the height difference. I could see myself taking this, when we're camping. This, I take it more when I'm going out fishing or hunting because it is so compact and I can spin it all the way around. I feel like I get a lot more usage from that aspect. This, I'll be excited to see how I use this camping, especially with it snapping back. I guess that could do well, like if it's by the fire, I can always make sure that it's being pointed at the fire. If I ever get up, I don't have to worry about the back as it extends closer to the fire. If I spin this around, that's going to be closer to a burning flame. So I could see this being, more safe. Yeah, so I'm just at 200 pounds, and I can flop right into this, no problem, and it doesn't feel like it's going to break at all. So I think it's got like a 300-pound capacity, which is still a lot for such a small, compact chair. So I feel like I have no worries going camping in this and breaking it. Hope you liked this review. I'll put a link to the older 360-degree video I did about 6 months ago. In the description of the video, I'll also have links of where you can purchase this chair. Again, this channel offers a lot, whether we are working on the frontier, or we're offering product reviews, or we're just filming ourselves out camping with the dog. Feel free to like, comment, and especially subscribe, and be sure to share this around with others so that they can do the same. Till next time.